Meanwhile, the DSWD says it has pre-positioned food packs and non-food items in Typhoon Dodong threatened areas. According to DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman, the relief goods will be distributed to typhoon victims in evacuation centers. Christine Santos with the details.
About 25 million food packs have been prepared for residents in provinces that may be affected by Typhoon Dodong. According to the Social Welfare and Development, the food packs are prepositioned from Catanduanes, where the typhoon is expected to take its landfall, to Batanes as it moves away from the Philippine area of responsibility. The DSWD also prepared about 25 million non-food packs.
Kami naman sa DSWD ay nakapag-preposition na sa mga probinsyang aming alam na dadaanan. Sa ngayon, ang aming prepositioning po ay sa usapin ho ng family packs, meron pong 24,870,348. Sa CAR, Regions 1, 2, 3, 4, A5, 8, and NROC. Yung NROC ho, yun ho yung national.
Soliman cleared out that the food and non-food items will only be provided once the local government units have ordered evacuation.
Magbibigay kami niyan kung nasa evacuation centers sila. Sa ngayon, wala pang panawagan na mag-preemptive evacuation. Bagamat, nakahanda po ang lokal na pamahalaan dahil pinagbigay alam na ng nila Secretary Mar Rojas ang mga dadaanan at pag nawagan ng preemptive evacuation based on the forecast. Kasi wala pa hindi pa pumapasok sa lupa, malalaman natin.
In Legazpi, 30,000 food packs are already prepared in case Sorsogon will declare a need for evacuation of residents, which will be affected by the volcanic activity of Bulusan. The DSWD said the local government must inform them immediately if more help is needed.
Naka-alert kami pero wala pa naman tinatawag na evacuation. Hindi lang pinahihintulutan na pumunta ang mga tao within the, if I'm not mistaken, the 6 or 10 kilometers radius.